welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Well, in my last couple of videos, I didn't even do that intro. I am I'm in Albuquerque now. The last couple days were just fabulous with the grandkids. I am working on a summer trip with the other grandkids that are in California. So, yeah. So hopefully all that'll play out. I gotta see who's going where and when, and then work around whatever the parents are doing, birthdays and stuff like that. So I'm working on that, trying to figure it out, because California is going to be hopefully opening up around the 15th of June, and we're seeing a lot of things going on. So I just got out of the shower. I want to show you this hotel room because it's actually really nice. So if you're doing like a road trip or something like that, or even just flying in, got stuck in Albuquerque, or if you're like me, I am waiting on my friend Letty to arrive, Grandma on the Go, and we are going to be going and checking out some things around here in Santa Fe, maybe a couple of hikes, and also some, you know, just checking out. We're checking stuff out. You did see I drove through in my 2 videos ago. I drove through Vaughn, New Mexico, which I was very excited about. My dad was actually born there. I'd never been there. I have been to Albuquerque, but it was like 40 years ago. And so obviously it was with my parents, and so I was under their control on what we were doing. And we were actually just visiting my dad's family. So, and they lived here, a little on the outskirts, up in Colorado, and kind of all over. So anyway, all right, let me show you this room. I think I've tidied up just enough. I got here last night after like it was a long drive. It's a few hours, several hours. But it's actually like a really easy drive. So the freeway is really nice. Everybody's really respectful. I don't know, there's no traffic. It was just a little bit different than from what I'm used to over there in California, where everybody is in more than a rush than they need to be. I have not gotten my face together yet, but I will do that soon. Let me show you this. Okay, as you walk in, there is a little closet here, some hangers, and you got a full-length mirror here, so you can check yourself out as you're going out the door. Here we go. Ooh, look, ate too much for grandkids. And a little table. And then it's got the full kitchen. It does have dishes up here. So if you want to eat in, has a little stove, dishwasher, and then a full fridge. This says, we'll be glad to do a little shopping for you. Just the list is all you need. Turn it to the front desk. So we'll actually go and get a few groceries, which actually makes it much easier if you don't, you know, want to do it yourself. I'm sure there's a fee to that. And right now they're giving out these little boxes for breakfast, because it does include breakfast normally, like a hot breakfast, but she says that starts next week. So this is the first week in June, but it's going to start pretty soon. Comes with a couple boiled eggs, some orange juice, a bagel, can't remember what else is in there. And then they have the same at the other hotel I was staying at. And then I bought this stuff. That doesn't come with it. Subway's for lunch. And then you get the little utensils inside too. And we didn't use a lot of the utensils. Now at the other one, they also had like oatmeal options, but they didn't have that here. But their hot breakfast is gonna start up soon. I like to keep these just in case, never know. I brought these from the other hotel as well. I don't know if I went down late or not. I could have, because they didn't have, I mean, they only had the boxes out there. So maybe they stop at 8 o'clock, because I went down a little after 8. This is the little lounge area, and then this is a fold-out couch. So you can have 2 people sleep here. And then over here we have, this is where I was. Last night is the king bed. King bed? Maybe it's a queen bed. I don't know. It's supposed to be a king bed. It could be. And then a little couch, a little desk area. So I have just all my stuff laid out. It does have two over there, two outlets, but the USBs are over here by the desk. So I'm charging my stuff. Need to get those GoPro charges. And then this one just has the electrical on this side. This is bathroom. And I went and did laundry today, so you can kind of see I have my bathing suit hanging up and nice and clean. I just folded this out for now because it actually kind of didn't fit on that in there, so that's fine. And then bathroom. Okay, you can see my laundry's over there. All right, and then over here we have another room. So this room will actually sleep 8, or this hotel room. So 2 in the center, 2 in that room, and then 4 could probably sleep up in this room. So we're only gonna be here for one more night. Letty's coming in and she'll be taking over this room. Has a desk and a TV, just like in the other room. Closet, and then a second bathroom. So this is actually a really nice family room. All right, so that is it. That is the room tour. That's all you get. In this whole trip, I will have stayed at 5 hotels. Because I had that other one that I had to stop in Roswell, which you saw in the first video. So both the first 2 hotels were Hampton Inn. It's typically where I stay. The next 2, I believe, are Hampton Inn. I actually don't remember, to be honest. But right now, this one's at Homewood Suites. And you could tell that in the elevators and stuff, and in the carpet in the hallways, it looks a little dated. And you could tell maybe it was an older building. And they are refreshing it. Like, they refreshed the outside. You can tell that they've, like, tried to do a little bit of upgrades inside. Not a lot, but I mean, it's typical for a hotel. But this is actually like a really nice room, and I just think like if you have a larger family, this is the type of room that you would want to have to be able to have some space. Or if it's a large group, you'd want to. This gives you like a little bit, like 3 rooms of a little bit of privacy. So yeah, except the one who's sleeping on the couch has to share a bathroom somewhere. I would say they'd have to go in that room with the king bed, because if there's 4 people in that one, then maybe this is like, well, I don't know. I'm just making crap up as I go along. All right, got to get this together. Alrighty. Okay, let's get like this. Alrighty. I'm still on my phone. Oh, I should go plug my stuff back in. Be right back. Okay, if you haven't watched my videos in the past, you may, or if you have, you'll know that I am a little bit of a sucker for Kohl's. And I went and bought those shoes. Anyway, I didn't I've literally found the exact same pair, and online they have one that's a little bit different looking. So I ended up getting a couple other things, so I'm going to show them to you. Okay, so I picked up this little swim cover up, and I like this little, you know, just it really loose and flowy and stuff. It is like slightly see-through, but because it's black, I think it'll look fine. I don't like them too revealing. Well, it's a cover-up. So I thought this would be really cute to wear on the cruise. We'll talk about that later. Okay, and then I found this little top. Oh, it's so cute. And I think it was on sale. I can't remember. I know the black little cover up was on sale for like, I think it was 20 bucks. And this was pretty inexpensive too. Well, I mean, for Kohl's, some of their stuff's like $50, $60, which I don't pay. Anyway, I got this little top, but I realized they didn't really have a bra to wear with it. I'm not going to show you those, but I ended up finding they had buy one, get the second one for half off. And they're almost the color of the shirt. And because it's Kohl's, if they don't work or don't fit or I don't like them, then I will just take them back to my local store. So while I really, you know, and it sounds kind of funny saying going all this way and then going to Kohl's, but at least I know, like, if something doesn't work out, I can always take it back there. So anyway, Letty is on her way. She actually has a layover in Vegas, and she is with her friend over there. So they are feeding her, and she, oh my God, the food, she likes some ceviche and almondega soup. Oh my God, it looks so good. So anyway, that's the reason I thought, oh, I'm gonna give me some soup because that sounds good. I would have loved to have the almondega soup, but hey. So she will be here in a few hours, and I am going to just kick back and relax the rest of the day because the next few days are going to be, we're just going to kind of go with the flow, but we do, anytime we hike and stuff, I mean, that's a little tiring. So I'm back into my relaxing little clothes, and yeah. All right, I'm going to kick it for a little while. Okay, so we made a wrong turn. And they're filming here in Albuquerque, and this is the show Better Call Saul. And those are the actors right there. Very cool. It looks like a little crime scene. Now I'm gonna have to watch so I can find which episode this is. So we started with an adventure, and we ended up at that movie set for Better Call Saul. That was good. So, and welcome back to my channel. Good morning. All right, we got a fancy rental car here, and we found this little place called Grandma's K&I Diner. So we're gonna go check this place out. Super excited. Yeah, 2. Yes, 2. When I was looking at the menu online, I kept seeing the Travis. I was wondering, what the heck is the Travis? But here it is. So here's the Travis. Seen on Man vs. Food. I wonder if Dennis has seen this. All right, so that food was bomb. It was so good. I had the huevos rancheros, put a little picture in here. Oh my gosh, it was so good. We're so full. It was perfect size plate. Now we're gonna go walk this off. We have a little bit of an adventure right now. Okay, so you never know when you go to another, you know, restaurant if it's really gonna be like good. And the food was like, it was like, it's really good. And then there's some pictures. They don't have an Instagram, but if you look up their location with K&I Diner, actually people have tagged the location. So you can see pictures of all that. So you can find pictures of the Travis. So I was just still wondering, like, what the heck was the Travis? I should have asked, like, how was it named? It's got to be for somebody, right?